Soup time. The soup is on. Let me see if I remember what I put in this soup. I think this is the last of the prepping of soup that I will do for this season. There is broccoli in here, tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, Spanish onions, green onions. Oh, what else? Lots of stuff. Shredded cabbage, thyme, rosemary, basil, garlic, ground fermented garlic, onion powder, pepper, paprika. I don't know. I think that's about it. But it's time to put it in these containers and freeze them, except for what I eat and share. I have no idea how many containers. I think this is 16 ounces. Does that look yummy or what? Does that look delicious? Look at that. I'll just do a couple more and do the rest of this off camera because it's going to take quite a few. It's full. It's full of vegetables. Oh, and I used my chicken broth that I saved from boiling chickens and some garlic paste. Just trying to keep thinking as I go along. I put so much stuff in here. It is so tasty. All right, one more. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Stock up on your food. Fill up your freezers. Be prepared. Somewhat anyway, to the best of your ability. Peace and love. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. We'll see you soon. Adios, amigos.